Hello friends, how are you doing? We have just started tutorial about health issues and their very medications that can enable everyone to cure the illness at home. So, today, in this video, we are going to discuss most common chest problems, their causes and medications in details. Stay with us and watch this video till the end. Thank you.
Common chest problems can range from mild to serious, and they may result from various causes. Some of the most common chest problems are chest pain, cough, shortness of breath, bronchitis, pneumonia, pleurisy, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), costochondritis, lung cancer. Include 1. Antibiotics, used to treat chest infections like pneumonia or bronchitis. 2. Bronchodilators, for conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). 3. Cough suppressants, to relieve cough symptoms. 4. Analgesics, for chest pain management. 5. Anti-inflammatory drugs, to reduce inflammation in conditions like pleuritis. Antibiotics are commonly used to treat chest infections, such as pneumonia, bronchitis. Some of the most common antibiotics are 1. Amoxicillin. It must be kept in mind that the choice of antibiotic depends upon the specific type of infection, its severity, and any underlying health conditions. 2. Azithromycin. 3. Clarithromycin. 4. Cefuroxime. 5. Doxycycline. 6. Levofloxacin. 7. Moxifloxacin. 8. Ciprofloxacin.